Good Thursday, everyone. Thanks for stopping by Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. This is the daily video forecast discussion for Thursday, the 19th of June, 2014. Cold front making its way through the region this morning. Winds have already backed around to the northwest and northeast, depending on your location. Dew points are also coming down. They're now into the upper 50s and lower 60s. They're still in the low to the mid 70s across central and southern New Jersey, and they're coming down just a little bit too. Air temperatures are in the 60s to low 70s across the region, and there is plenty of cloud cover around the region and some light rain too in southeastern New York into northeastern New Jersey, and also into parts of the Poconos region. And that is because we have a disturbance moving east along the frontal boundary, and things will begin to clear out very slowly during today. Morning pass of the satellite imagery this morning shows plenty of clouds, a few breaks in the clouds across southern New Jersey. That's where the warmest temperatures are going to be today. Temperatures are going to begin to cool off with cloud cover and also some additional showers across the region. We have a little bit of lifting here off the Virginia and Delmarva coastal regions, a little bit more activity out here towards the Ohio River Valley. And that's also pressing to the south and east. On the radar this morning, a band of rain now entering into Connecticut and then moving across the southern New England. And we have another area of showers across the Great Lakes region, entering into western Pennsylvania, the Ohio River Valley. All of this sliding just generally to the east over the next several hours. Morning weather chart from weatheroanoke.com. A digital atmosphere software shows our nearly stationary front. It's cold front, though. It's moving further to the south and east during the next couple of hours. Few disturbances along the front moving through the region during today, as the trough axis is beginning to swing off the coast and high pressure beginning to build in from Hudson's Bay into the northern mid-Atlantic region. Across the region during tonight, right through the early part and most part actually of the weekend, providing much drier and near seasonable temperatures for the weekend. So it looks like another nice weekend is on tap after all, and it is the first official weekend of summer. As summer begins, I do believe, at around 6:50 or 6:51 a.m. on Saturday morning. We don't have any watches, warnings, or advisories to speak of. We do have some storm reports this morning. A couple of lightning strikes here on a house in Vineland. Also some tree damage down around Millville. Also in Baltimore area, we had some hail and some flooding and some downed trees and power lines as well from some of the heavier thunderstorms that moved through early this morning. Allergy forecast from pollen.com, basically low to medium side today, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Downsloping westerly wind yesterday. Everybody, even the shore points, had temperatures in the 90s yesterday, but we didn't see any records. But it was nevertheless the second warm day preceding the actual start to summer, and these temperatures will not be seen into early next week. Unlike yesterday, today is not the best beach day. Mostly cloudy skies, showers likely, scattered thunderstorms, temperatures upper 70s, north winds at 5 to 10, seas around 2 feet, surf temperature 65 to 70. UVI index will be high depending on your location. Central and southern New Jersey, the further north you go, more clouds and obviously showers and thunderstorms will keep that down. There's a low risk of rip currents today, however. Never swim alone. Always use a flotation device, and also swim in areas which are guarded, actually. There is a high threat of lightning today, implies thunderstorms are likely, and the next high tide at Atlantic City will be at 1:49 this afternoon. And for the aviational weather deck today, VFR conditions mainly expected for this morning and for this afternoon. However, there are showers and scattered thunderstorms will overspread the region. Conditions may drop to MVFR or IFR at times. Across the region, dry air will begin to build across the region from the northwest and north late tonight and tomorrow. Chance of precipitation will come to an end as conditions will remain in the VFR category with a clearing sky for tonight. The wind is forecast to favor a northwest to northeast quadrant for today and tonight at speeds mainly less than 10 knots. Friday through Friday night, VFR. Saturday, VFR early, then maybe MVFR possible by afternoon and a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Low confidence on that. That would be probably for the southern mid-Atlantic, northern mid-Atlantic region. Saturday night, MVFR possible early, and then just basic VFR overnight Saturday night and VFR on Sunday through Monday. Right now, outside of Newark, it's 73, dew point 62, humidity 69%. Actually, that's not Newark. This is 71, dew point 62, humidity 73%. Wind is already out of the northeast at 13 knots. And we have lots of clouds around the region this morning, and expecting VFR conditions, maybe an outlier shower to our south across the region during this morning. Right now in Philadelphia, 74. Dew point still at 68, humidity 82%. The wind is northwest at 10, gusting to 20. Overcast conditions, but VFR conditions are expected. It's going to be like the fourth weekend in a row of nice, pleasant weather. So it looks like we're starting summer off on a good note. Summer begins on Saturday morning, and this weekend will feature some nice weather across the region. Much more comfortable with seasonable temperatures, and that's a good way to start summer. High pressure building in across the Great Lakes and also from Hudson's Bay, Canada into the New England states over the weekend. The trough axis swinging off to the east over Friday and Saturday and Sunday. High pressure building in across the region, maintaining a northwesterly flow. Scattered cloud cover around, keeping most of the precipitation along the frontal boundary well to our south. There is the possibility on Saturday evening of a shower or thunderstorm just further to the south across the southern mid-Atlantic region, but high pressure generally in control across the northern mid-Atlantic region on Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and Sunday. Nice weather too on Monday. We're really going to have to wait until a cold front moves into the region, probably later Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening. It's going to be a slow-moving cold front, and that's when we're going to have the increase of moisture and the chance for showers and thunderstorms to overspread the region once again. And we'll have to just wait. That could be on Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, and Wednesday. And it looks like more high pressure builds in across the region for the middle and ending part of next weekend once again. This is probably one of the shortest forecast discussions I've done in quite a while, as things are beginning to settle down. For Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Obviously, I'm still suffering from allergies. Find all the latest weather information 24 hours a day on both websites, Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com. You make it a good Thursday. We'll be back with the weekend forecast, your first weekend of summer 2014, tomorrow morning. Have a great Thursday.